front engine, rear-wheel drive, twin-turbo V8. And now, open to the sky. This is the Ferrari Roma Spider, a car that promises classic Italian elegance with modern supercar performance. But here's the question. Is this simply a beautiful cruiser for the Riviera? Or is it a true Ferrari with real performance DNA? Today, we're going to find out. The Roma Spider is inspired by Ferrari's 1950s and 1960s Grand Touras, cars that defined La Dolce Vita. This car isn't aggressive in a loud way. It's clean, minimal, elegant. Front end, slim, full L. ED headlights, clean grille with integrated sensors, smooth bonnet with subtle muscular curves. The front of the Roma Spider doesn't scream, it whispers confidence. Side profile. Long sculpted bonnet tight, compact rear, perfect GT proportions, 20-inch forged wheels. With the roof down, the silhouette transforms completely. It becomes lighter, more emotional, more dramatic. Unlike many modern convertibles that use metal folding roofs, Ferrari chose a fabric soft top. Why? Because it saves weight, preserves elegant design lines, keeps the center of gravity lower, it opens in just 13.5 seconds, and you can operate it at speeds up to 60 kilometers per hour. 5 color options allow customization, adding personality to your build. With the roof down, wind turbulence is surprisingly controlled thanks to integrated wind deflector, advanced aerodynamics, optional neck warmers. This is not just a convertible, it's engineered elegance. Under the hood lies Ferrari's award-winning 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8. Specifications: 620 horsepower, 760 Newton-meters of torque, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 3.4 seconds top speed, 320 kilometers per hour, 8-speed dual-clutch gearbox. Despite being turbocharged, throttle response feels instant. Turbo lag, nearly non-existent. Gear shifts, violently quick in sport and race mode. This engine has won multiple International Engine of the Year awards, and you can feel why. With the roof down, the sound transforms. Deep bass growl at low RPM metallic, scream at high RPM, sharp crackles on upshifts. It's not just noise, it's mechanical theater. The Roma Spider sits on Ferrari's modern aluminum platform. Weight distribution, nearly perfect. Steering, ultra-precise, light in comfort, sharper in sport and race. Suspension, magneto-rheological adaptive dampers, balanced between comfort and control. Driving modes via Manettino, wet comfort sport, race ESC, off. In comfort mode, the Roma Spider feels like a luxury Grand Tourer. In race mode, it becomes aggressive, alive, and rear-biased. There's genuine Ferrari DNA here. This is not just about cruising. This car wants to be driven. Step inside and you're greeted by Ferrari's dual cockpit layout. Driver display, 16-inch fully digital instrument cluster. Customizable layout, clear tachometer, focus center. Display, vertical touchscreen, climate, media, navigation, passenger display. Allows passenger to see speed, revs, gear materials, premium leather optional carbon fiber, aluminum accents, seats, deeply bolstered, heated optional, ventilated optional, neck warmer. The cabin feels intimate. It wraps around you. This is modern Ferrari minimalism. Rear seats, small, best for children or extra storage. Boot capacity, 255 liters. For a convertible Ferrari, that's respectable. City driving, surprisingly easy. Good visibility, light steering at low speeds, fuel economy. Not the reason you buy this car. Maintenance, premium pricing. But could you daily drive it? Yes. Should you? If you can afford it, absolutely. Ferrari didn't build the Roma Spider to be the fastest car in their lineup. They built it to capture emotion. It's about sunset drives, mountain roads, tunnel downshifts, the sound bouncing off trees. This car is less about lap times and more about how it makes you feel. And with the roof down, that feeling multiplies. Starting price globally, around $280,000 plus before options. Major competitors: Porsche 911, Turbo Cabriolet, Aston Martin, Vantage Roadster, Mercedes AMG SL 63. Compared to them, more emotional than Porsche, more refined than AMG, more dramatic than Aston, but also more expensive. Customization can easily push it above $320,000. Pros: timeless design, incredible V8 engine, balanced GT plus performance, premium interior, open-top experience. Cons: expensive rear seats, limited, touch-sensitive controls can distract. So, is the Ferrari Roma Spider a real Ferrari? Yes, it may not be the most extreme, it may not be track-focused, but it perfectly balances elegance and aggression. It's a modern interpretation of Ferrari's grand touring heritage. With the roof down and the V8 singing behind you, this might just be one of the most beautiful driving experiences Ferrari offers today. And sometimes, that's more important than pure speed.